Hey everybody, Mr. Siegel here. Hope everybody's doing well. It is time to start the next math chapter. We only have about 3 chapters left between now and the end of June. So we're moving along nicely. Everybody did a great job with geometry, and now we're going to move on to angles. The one thing you're going to need for this chapter is something that looks like this. I don't know if you've ever seen it before. It's called a protractor. Maybe you did a little of this in 3rd grade, but it is a protractor. So I don't know if you have a protractor or if maybe your older brother or sister has it. If you don't have it, I'm going to put on the Microsoft Teams and Files a protractor that you can print out and cut out. It's not the perfect solution, but it'll do for what we need to do. Not the first couple days, but pretty soon we're going to be measuring angles, and when you measure angles, you use a protractor. So we're going to come over and look at angles. We've already kind of talked about what an angle is. An angle is when 2 rays come together at a point. So this is a ray, maybe this is a ray AB, and maybe this is ray BC, and it makes an angle. They come to a point, and the point is called a vertex. So you just know that where the angle comes to a point, where the 2 rays come to a point, is called a vertex. And this would be angle ABC. The vertex always goes in the middle. You could have called it CBA or ABC. It's an angle. And the angle measures in degrees. So we talked about this looks like a right angle, if you remember. And we know that a right angle measures 90 degrees. And the other 2 types of angles we talked about, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees, anywhere from 1 degree up to 89 degrees. And then an obtuse angle is in between, it's greater than 90, but less than 180. And that's the degrees sign. So anywhere from 91 all the way up to 179 is a obtuse angle. And then the last one we're going to talk about today is a straight angle. And a straight angle is 180 degrees. And it really looks like a straight line. It's 2 rays, but it looks something like that. That would be straight angle ABC. Looks flat. So some things I want you to know about angles is that a circle measures 360 degrees. The angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if you take a look at a circle, and let's say you make an angle and you shade in, let's say that part of a circle, that's 1/4 of the circle. To find out how many degrees that is, you have to put it with the denominator being 360. Because again, a circle is 360. 4 times 360, to get to 360, you have to times 4 by 90. So you have to times the 1 by 90. And that 1/4 of the circle would be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so you're going to be given, the first day, you're going to be given a whole bunch of degrees. And you're going to have to identify whether it's a right angle, an acute angle, obtuse, or straight angle. Should be pretty easy. That's going to be for a day or 2. And then you're going to be given an angle that might be split in half, and we might give you some degrees. Maybe this is 35 degrees, and maybe this is 40 degrees, and you're going to have to find out what the entire angle A, B, and C is worth, where you just add 40 plus 35. Maybe we wouldn't give you that, but we would give you the total, and then you would have to subtract the total minus 1 part to find the missing part. So you're going to be identifying angles as either right, acute, obtuse, or straight, and you're going to be identifying the missing part of angles. The first couple of days of lessons. After that, we're going to get into drawing angles and reading angles using a protractor. So today, all you had to do was take these notes, but I also want you to download the protractor or get a protractor and take a picture of yourself holding the protractor so I know that you did it, and submit that. And then check out the assignments that follow, and in a few days there'll be another video where we will try to teach you drawing angles and measuring angles which again is going to be a little hard since we're doing remote learning. It would be a lot easier if we were all in class together and everybody had a protractor and we can go around and do it together in the same room. But unfortunately we can't do that, but we will do the best we can do. So get yourself a protractor and start identifying angles. We will see you soon.